Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by regaining access right now. Use a trusted computer or phone and a private network to reduce interception risk. Open Google Account Recovery, type the hacked address, and follow prompts. When asked, provide the last password you remember. You must supply a recovery email or phone and confirm a recent device used to sign in. Once done, you'll receive verification codes or prompts. Prioritize choices that match dates and devices you actually use to prove ownership. After regaining control, immediately change the account password to a strong, unique passphrase of 16 characters or more. Do not reuse old passwords. Next, enable two-step verification and choose an authenticator app or a physical security key for highest protection. Then go to Security Your Devices and sign out of all sessions you don't recognize. Review recent security events and revoke suspicious app access. Make sure to update passwords for any linked accounts that use the same credentials. Finish by cleaning and confirming protections. Run a full antivirus and anti-malware scan on all devices, remove unknown browser extensions, and uninstall suspicious apps. Update recovery options, confirm recovery email, phone, and generate backup codes. Store them securely. Review filters, forwarding, and mail settings for unauthorized rules and remove them. If any step fails or you get locked out again, submit Google's detailed account recovery form and provide account creation date, frequently emailed contacts, and billing ID to prove ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.